everyone, welcome back. Today, we're doing a deep dive into something really exciting. We're talking about a banking initiative in India specifically designed to empower women entrepreneurs.
It's called the Dena Shakti Scheme. And we're going to go way beyond the headlines to give you all the need-to-know info.
Right.
So have you ever, had this amazing business idea but weren't sure how to, get the funds to make it happen?
Yeah.
It's a hurdle a lot of people face, especially women entrepreneurs, right?
Absolutely. It's a huge issue.
In India, Dena Shakti is trying to change that.
Yeah.
So let's break it down. What exactly is this scheme and what makes it so impactful?
Think of it like a springboard for women-led businesses. We know there's a real gender gap when it comes to entrepreneurship, not just in India, but, globally. In India, it's really stark. Women own less than 14% of businesses. So Dena Shakti tackles this head-on, and one of the biggest ways they do that is by providing better access to finance.
Okay, so it's not just about acknowledging the problem, but actually taking concrete steps to address it.
Exactly.
And they do that by offering loans that are tailored specifically for business needs.
Yes.
We're talking up to Rs 20 lakhs, which is, that's significant. That could be the difference between, renting a small space and getting that amazing storefront you've had your eye on.
It makes a huge difference.
And I hear they even have up to Rs 50,000 for certain types of ventures.
That's right. For certain ventures, there's even more available.
That's incredible. Okay, so it's not just about how much you can borrow, though, right? They have some pretty good interest rates as well.
Absolutely. They sweeten the deal with an interest rate concession of 0.25%.
Which might not sound like a lot at first, but if you think about it, if you're able to reinvest those savings back into your business.
Oh, it adds up.
That's huge.
Yeah.
That's more equipment, expanding your marketing, maybe even hiring another person to help you out.
Exactly. Those savings can really boost your business's growth.
It's like they're giving you that little bit of breathing room. That financial cushion can be make or break, especially when you're first starting out. And it's not just about the loan amount, but also how you pay it back, right?
Yes.
Because businesses, they don't always operate on a fixed schedule.
Yes.
So how does Dena Shakti kind of adapt to that ebb and flow?
That's where the flexible repayment terms come in. They really understand that life happens, and sometimes you need a bit of leeway, especially in those early, more volatile stages of a business.
It's so good to hear they've incorporated that kind of understanding. Okay, so let's talk about who can actually benefit from this. Who's eligible?
So it's pretty inclusive. If you're a woman entrepreneur and you have over 50% ownership in a business, you're probably eligible. And it's not limited to just one kind of business either.
Oh, really?
Microcredit ventures, retail shops, agriculture, they cover a really wide range of ventures.
I love that. It's so important for these kinds of schemes to be inclusive and really reach women across sectors.
Right.
But it sounds like Dena Shakti is about more than just the financial boost, right? Okay. What else sets it apart?
You're right. They offer something called the combined working capital and term loan option.
What's that?
So you can access funds to manage your day-to-day expenses, but also get the resources to invest in the long-term growth of your business.
Oh, wow. So you're covered on multiple fronts.
Exactly.
So if you had a catering business, you could use the working capital loan for daily stuff, right? Like groceries, fuel. And then the term loan could help you invest in a new oven or something, or even expand your kitchen.
It gives you that flexibility to really strategize and plan for your business's future.
I love that. Okay, so for our listeners out there who are like, this is amazing, I want in, what does the application process look like?
One of the best parts is that it's actually really straightforward.
Oh, good.
You just go to a Bank of Baroda branch, since Dena Bank merged with them.
Oh, right.
Grab an application, gather your documents, and you're basically good to go.
Makes so much easier than some of the processes you hear about.
It is, although one thing to remember.
Yeah.
While the application itself might be simple, having a really solid business plan is key.
Oh, of course.
And making sure you really understand all the loan terms before you commit to anything. This is an investment in your future, so you want to be prepared.
Definitely. Knowledge is power, right? It's about empowering yourself and making those informed decisions.
Exactly.
As we wrap up, it's clear that Dena Shakti is doing something really incredible. It's not just about providing funds, but about nurturing ambition.
It is.
Giving women the tools they need to be financially independent and shape the future of India.
It's amazing to see. It makes you think, though, what if these kinds of initiatives, with this level of understanding and support, were available to women everywhere?
Wow, that's a really good question. It really makes you think.
Yeah.
And for our listeners, don't let the learning stop here. Why not check out some stories from women who have actually benefited from Dena Shakti?
That's a great idea.
Or even do a deep dive of your own into the different kinds of support systems out there for women entrepreneurs.
You never know what you might discover.
Exactly. All right, that's it for today's deep dive. We'll see you next time.